Holy crap. Let's get out of here now. Crap. Holy crap, this is not good. Holy crap. This Nerf City is a dangerous place, right? We're having a Nerf War video. Please don't interrupt it. Leslie, please don't interrupt. We're having a Nerf War video. To get out of here now. Holy fudge. Oh, she's got. Don't look at the camera. Don't look at the camera. Just continue with the Nerf war.
I heard movement. What does that mean? Nah.
I'm not trying to put Leslie inside the Nerf war video. That is not a Nerf war. That's not a Nerf gun. Oh, what the fudge, dude! Dude, your bullet's stuck in there. Dude, your bullet's stuck in there.
Come on, let's. Ow! Where's the other kid?
Christian? You mean Christian?
You can have this one. Dude, you can have this one.
Oh, he's right there! He's right there! Oh, no, go! I'm coming!
No! The brother hit me in the stomach!
¿Tú qué le pegaste? Gotta keep a lookout, okay, dude?
Okay.
Hurry. So scary, like a horror movie, dude. I heard some. Let's see. Crap, dead person. They've been here.
Oh, he's right there!
Oh, that's just Arias. Okay, dude. Make sure not to attack him, okay?
We don't know you're on that side. Now.
Don't dare shoot.
Where did he went? He went over there.
I'm putting poison.
I just heard something. I heard like, oh!
That must have been Christian. I'm checking. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
it's the kid.
Okay, you go that way. I go this way. Everyone.
I'll go.
This is like a freaking real Nerf war. I'm keeping a lookout. What the fudge? No, nothing. Sorry. You wanna say? Gotta watch it. I thought I just saw him.
No, I heard it.
The fuck?
No, I heard it. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. I can see him.
He's all over there. Shoot him. Now. I reloaded. Cover me.
Oh no, my bullets are not long range. You go that way, I'll go this way, okay? My bullets are not long range.
Everyone, this way. Jose, follow me. Now, we have to get out of here now.
Oh my God, he's right there. I just saw a dead body. I saw a person just